I'm a retailer, and I pride myself on giving my customers a great service. I know it's the best way to encourage customers to visit me more often and to get new ones through my door. But how do I make sure my customers have cash in their pockets when they visit me? If they visit the bank to withdraw cash, there are a lot of opportunities for them to spend that money before they reach me. I'd love to move next to the bank, but that's out of the question. So I thought, how can I bring the bank closer to me? It was then a retailer friend suggested I look at having an ATM in my store. Of course, I've seen cash machines before in other stores, but I'd always dismissed them on the basis that I'm a retailer, not a bank. Exactly how they work had never been explained to me, but because my friend told me how his ATM significantly boosted his business, I thought I'd better look into it pretty quickly. I got in touch with the good people at DC Payments. They provide a complete service: site survey, installation, implementation and training. Best bit? They do it all for free. They took a good look at my business, showed me how I could benefit from an ATM, and now I have a shiny new cash machine in my store. Cash is at the heart of a retail business. I keep my ATM loaded with cash, my cash from my cash register. My customers get instant access to their money, and because having cash in their pockets puts them in a mood to buy, they always spend at least some of that money with me. Providing cash for my customers in a safe and secure environment is better than moving my store next to the bank. It's like moving the bank into my store. What's more, recycling my own cash reduces the frequency I need to do my banking and the bank charges this entails. Choosing to have an ATM is the best business decision I've made for me and for my customers. I love my ATM. So if you, like me, are looking for a way to increase footfall and profits, give DC Payments a call. They'll show you how an ATM can get more cash flowing through your cash registers. They are friendly, they understand retailing, and they won't even charge you for your phone call.